Do you want to know how to use same music on YouTube and Facebook videos? You just have clicked on the right video. Exactly. In today's video, I'll share with you how you can use a strategy to avoiding any kind of copyright claims or strikes on your YouTube or Facebook videos when using a same music in your contents. So coming up, I'm just going to my computer screen and you can see here Epidemic sound. Exactly. You just have to make a strategy. If you are a content creator or YouTube video maker or YouTuber, then you have to make a licensed account on Epidemic sound. Then you can get all of your background music, sound effects, those you can use in your any kind of videos or project. So if you came here on the Epidemic sound account, you can click to our video descriptions link for getting 30-day free trials. Start free trial, cancel anytime. Exactly. 50,000 music tracks and 200,000 sound effects and variations and exclusive sound tracking tools, all rights including publish worry-free worldwide. Exactly. I also use Epidemic sound to avoiding this kind of copyright claims and copyright strikes on my YouTube, Facebook and Instagram or TikTok accounts. Now you can see here is soundtrack your content worry-free, get original music by global artists, and here you get some kind of subscriptions plans. There you can get a creator plan $5.99 and you can also get a pro account $11.99 and enterprise request a code. If you are a single content creator, you can get this kind of unlimited downloads, music and sound effects, licensing for social and podcast and web, and monetize one channel per platform. That means if you have a $5.99 creator plan on Epidemic sound, then you can monetize your single channel on every single social platforms. Like you have one YouTube channel, you have a Facebook page, TikTok account or Instagram account. Every single platform you can get a single channel. But I have pro plans. For that reasons, I can get monetized 3 channels per platform. Exactly. I'm just going to my account on Epidemic sound. So after coming here, you can get musics from here, latest tracks, popular tracks and genres, moods and different kind of themes or artist variations for your any kind of themes, content creations or videos. And sound effects are also over there like shows, ambience, waters, and I also say to you 200,000 sound effects are available over there on Epidemic sounds. And Epidemic sounds now have a new voices beta feature where you can make human voiceovers enhanced by AI. You can instantly craft a voiceover for any project from ads to long-form content. Use your own voice or choose a voice from professional voice artist. From here, you can get this kind of feature on Epidemic sound also. After making subscription on Epidemic account, you can go to your account and then you can see over here safe list. You can see over there I have a pro plan which is almost $300 per year. I can publish anywhere online, monetize up to 3 channels per platform, unlimited downloads, publish content for clients and businesses, instant voiceover with voice artist and your voices included 50k credits per month and 3 voices replies. Exactly. And you can see here my safe list account. I also included my 3 YouTube channels which is popular to my local region as I am from Bangladesh. You can see here Saifur Rahman Azim Blogs, Saifur Rahman Azim and Tech Unlimited. I'm one of the most popular tech content creator in Bangladesh, so I have to maintain different kind of channels in my account. So that's why I choose pro plans on Epidemic sound. You can see here my Facebook page also over here on the safe list, so that while I am downloading any kind of music on my account in Epidemic sound, then I don't have to worry about copyright claims because my safe list channels and Facebook page and also Instagram account, and here you can see my TikTok account also included over there on Epidemic sound account safe list dashboard. Okay, so while you having this kind of account or subscription on your bucket on content creation journey, then this is the very easier way to avoid this kind of copyright claims and copyright strikes on any kind of social platform while you have this kind of licensing program on any kind of sound subscription platform. Okay, another one thing, how you can download any kind of music from over there. I just want to show you that. Okay, so after coming here, you can search by mood, genre, reference, track and more from Epidemic Sound search box. And also you can search by your video. You just have to click over here, search by video, and here you can drop or select a video which you have just shooted or captured on your memory. Then select your video. The Epidemic Sound AI will suggest you recommended tracks for your video, for background music or sound effects, etc, etc. And other thing, you can see here this kind of musics, and also you can go over music button, and here you can select any kind of genre to download any kind of music. So we are just having this kind of inspiration, this kind of search. Then just you can listen from here. Also you can download from over there, download button. After clicking on the download button, you can download the full track, or you can stream full mix, all streams, melody, instrument, bass or drums. You can also prefer your preferable full track or streams or segment of the track on your music download. Then you have to select over here WAV or MP3 file which you prefer for downloading the audio track. And also you can download from popular segment, structure and off. If you want to download the popular segment, then just you can select over there. If you want to select any kind of portion to download over from here, you can drag and drop over there on the selection button. Then you can download from here. Or also you can download the full of music from selecting this kind of whole area. Okay, we are just clicking on the download button. You can see our music already been downloaded. So here you go. So on this kind of situation, you can use your any kind of music on your any kind of social content or projects like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc, etc. So if you think this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to create an account or make a subscription by using our description attached link to get 30 days free trial and cancel anytime. See you on the next video. Bye bye.